With the ECAT round the corner, the new ECAT team at Hughes presents to you some of the exam tips and tricks that will help you ace your exam. Create a study schedule. Break down the syllabus into smaller sections and allocate specific time for each section. Make sure to include regular breaks to avoid burnout. Practice past papers and sample papers. Get your hands on the ECAT question papers from the previous years and start practicing them. This will not only give you an idea of the exam format, but will also help you improve your time management and gauge your readiness for the actual exam. Focus on conceptual understanding. Don't just memorize formulas and facts. Develop a deep understanding of the underlying concept so that you're able to apply your knowledge to solve complex problems. Strengthen mathematics skills. Mathematics carries significant weightage in the ECAT exam. Dedicate an ample amount of time to solve math problems, including algebra, calculus, trigonometry, and geometry. Improve English language skills. The English section in ECAT often includes grammar, vocabulary, and comprehension questions. Enhance your English skills by reading novels, newspapers, articles, and practicing grammar questions. Seek clarification. If you come across a difficult concept, do not hesitate to seek help. Consult your teacher, friends, or online resources to clarify your doubts and increase your understanding. Time management. During the exam, manage your time wisely. Start with the section you're most confident in and then allocate time to each section. Pace yourself accordingly to ensure that you have enough time to attempt all the questions. On the day of the exam, try to stay calm and confident. Remember, stress and anxiety can affect your performance negatively. Remember that you've prepared well and trust in your abilities. Last but definitely not the least, take care of yourself. Prioritize your physical and mental well-being. Get enough sleep, eat nutritious meals, and engage in activities that help you relax and de-stress. Because a healthy mind and body will only help you excel in your exam. Good luck.